Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Gonna do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2004 Bobcat A300 that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I will walk around and talk about the features and functions. I'll get up close to everything, show you everything I see, tell you everything that I know. Then of course we'll fire it up, run it through its paces, show that the pins are nice and tight up front, show you that the all-wheel steer works on this one, that the engine sounds good, the hydraulics are nice and strong. As always, if you are in the market for a used skid steer or a used piece of construction equipment or a used piece of ag equipment, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Your likes and subscriptions help other people who are looking for machines find our videos and find our machines, and we truly do appreciate it. All right, like I said, this one's a 2004 Bobcat A300, 537 original hours. As I get up close to everything, you'll see here it is a very nice machine. Cab with heat, obviously SJC controls, 2-speed. It does have a weight kit. This one is obviously the pre-emissions Kubota diesel engine, which we love. 3,000 pound lift capacity. All right, as I said, when we get into the operational video, I'll show you up here, but these pins are very tight, as they should be. As I get up close to everything, you'll see this white paint is nice and bright. Very clean machine. We splattered a little bit of dirt down here on the gray. You'll see that as I get up close to it here this morning. Just around some of the edges and stuff, the paint's peeling just a little bit, but it is a 20-year-old machine. But as you look here, I mean, back here, it's not all scratched up or scraped up. Retains 95% or more of that white paint back there. This gray is still nice and bright. Like I said, we splattered a little mud on it here this morning running it around. Tires are good, lots of tread life left there. Even the rims are pretty decent, still fairly bright orange, at least on that one there. Tread life's the same here. Again, that rim's in pretty doggone good shape. Looking back here, even back there, that paint, white paint back there is not all tore up, just peeling just a little bit around the edges in a couple spots. Again, nothing out of the ordinary, especially for a 20-year-old machine. Overall, very nice. As I come around back here, the back doors got some fade to it, but it's still fairly bright. A couple little spots there where it's kind of faded down, but better than most of the 2004s will be. Pretty doggone clean machine. Nice and straight up here. Everything's good there. Coming around to this side again, that white paint is very bright. Nice and straight here. Peeling just a little bit here on the edges. Little tiny dent right there on that bottom section. Loader arms on both sides are nice and straight. Again, same thing on this side. Back here retains almost all of that white paint. A little bit of gray peeling on that little panel there. Again, we splattered a little mud here, but underneath there it's pretty doggone clean. Tires match up really well on this side as far as tread life goes. Again, that rim's pretty decent. Same thing here. Pretty good tread life. This rim's maybe faded just a touch more than the others. Come up and take a look at this bucket. Nice heavy duty 80-inch Bobcat bucket. Does have the spots for the bolt-on cutting edge. I don't see any bows or dents or dings or cracks or anything in that bucket. It's pretty doggone straight. We'll go back and take a look at my favorite part on these machines, the pre-emissions Kubota diesel engine. All right, as you can see here, very clean in there. Nice and dry. As I'm sure you're well aware, these engines were very good engines. Part of what made Bobcat skid steer so popular. Again, very clean, as it should be, and very dry in here. Inside of that back door, nice and bright, very straight. Like I said, does have one weight back here. We'll take just a little bit of paint peeling right down here. We'll go take a look inside the cab. Take a look at this front up here. All right, even up here, still retains a lot of the white paint. Not a lot of chips down here or even down here on the arms. Pretty doggone good there. And still nice and bright. Both the steps are in good shape. You know, a lot of times you'll see these steps are dinged up or bent even. Both of those are in good shape. All the glass is in good shape. The door's in good shape here. That grip tape's good. Everything's really clean down here. Seat's in good shape. I don't see any cuts or tears on the seat anywhere. Climbing down in here. Both your joysticks are in really good shape. Very clean. You can still see all the little symbols really clearly, which you should be able to. Same thing over here. Very clean. $538 hours. Everything looks good back here as it should. Nothing here. Sometimes you'll see where they get cracked and welded on these cylinders. These look really, really good like they should. Back of the skid steer mount plate, everything looks good down there. Just a very, very nice older pre-emissions machine. All right, like I said, this one's a 2004 A300. There's plenty of photos on our website. That's listed down below in the description. If you have any questions, comment down below. We'll fire it up and get right into an operational video.